What's up? My name's Kamal Akeel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a cabin air filter for a Mazda CX-5. This particular one is a 2015, but if your car looks like this, then it should be the same process. There's a few years of this car out, so anyways, it's pretty simple. It's located behind your glove box, so what you're going to do is just open your glove box and then get your fingers on the left and right here, and you're actually going to push in. There's these little tabs on the left and right that hold it in. Now you can actually take this all the way out. There's this one clip here that holds on in this area, and then the two at the bottom. And then you actually see your cabin air filter right here. There's just a little tab that kind of locks it in place. If you just push up there and pull out, it comes out super easy. And you can also just check. You can see there's like leaves and debris in here. It's kind of dirty. And that's pretty much it. And you just take your new one out of the box and just have that tab at the bottom, because it can only lock in one direction. So you'll just put this in, and then you can see it lock in. Doesn't really make a snapping noise or anything. Then let's put this part in. So typically, I guess people change these around every other oil change or so. I know if you park your car under trees where leaves and stuff might get on your car, and then you're more likely to have more debris in there. Or if your car just smells musty, you can change it out, and that usually takes care of that. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.